사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못한 추억이 됐다 볼만한 멜로드라마 괜찮은 걸만 그거면 됐다 넌 사랑했다 우리가 만든
Unit LFC006, and it has an elastic band already sewn into the cap itself, and you get straps with adjustable hook settings. I'm placing mine on the second set of hooks, and this is the most comfortable for me. Again, my head circumference is about 23.5 inches, and this is a cap size 1. So right off rip, sis, y'all saw how that hair worked. Look at that hairline. I'm feeling it already. Now my unit is co-washed. I use a really hydrating conditioner, and I also did a deep conditioning treatment and allowed it to elashes. And I honestly recommend that you guys take this step before installing your unit. I definitely noticed a difference versus the first time I tried to install this. Now I'm just going to slide the unit